In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Minister of Foreign Affairs expresses concern over the expansion of war in the region. The coordination meeting held to guide the implementation of the economic policy with the participation of the ministry officials. And the U.S. Secretary of the Navy resigns from his position. Welcome to our today news package. It's Thursday, the 6th of Sugat al-Haram 1447, the 3rd of Sur 1405, and the 23rd of April 2026. The news details. Mawlavi Mirhal Muttaqi, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, stated that Afghanistan maintains constructive relations and cooperation with countries in the region, particularly with Central Asian states. Mawlavi Muttaqi expressed concern over potential outbreak of a dangerous war in the region and emphasized the importance of continued dialogue and the pursuit of a ceasefire. A coordination meeting on guiding the implementation of economic policy was held at the Ministry of Economy with the participation of heads and representatives of various ministries and government institutions. Based on the ministry, the meeting aimed to strengthen effective coordination, design implementation mechanism, and improve reporting processes related to the execution of economic policy. During this session, Dr. Abdul Latif Nazari, the Deputy Minister for Technical Affairs, highlighted the importance of economic policy in steering the country's economic activities and underscored the vital role of the interagency coordination. The news continuation. A high-level Afghan delegation led by Mullah Fayzullah Tamim, the Director General of the National Standard Authority, met with the Deputy Minister of Transport of Azerbaijan during an official visit to Baku, the capital. The discussions focus on enhancing cooperation in transit facilitation, the movement of Afghan cargo vehicles, and the transportation of petroleum products. The Azerbaijani side assured the necessary facilitation would be provided in the areas of transit and transport cooperation with Afghanistan. And ultimately, Pentagon has announced that John C. Fallon, the U.S. Secretary of the Navy, has resigned from his position. Sean Parnell, the spokesperson for the U.S. Department of Defense, confirmed the resignation on his X account, though no reason was provided. In accordance with his statement, Hong Chow, the Deputy Secretary, has assumed the role as the new Secretary of the Navy. That's the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wishing our loyal viewers a blessing Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.